Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2019 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage. This boat is powered by twin Mercury 350 Verados with joystick piloting. As we enter the boat, you'll see a freshwater sprayer. Here on the transom, you have a huge fold-out bench seat. Big storage compartment in the back. This boat has great accessibility to all your batteries, pumps, charger, and your cockpit table stored right here. You'll find a nice bait prep station, freshwater sprayer, plenty of storage, you'll see the side cockpit door with boarding ladder. As we make our way to the helm, this boat is going to have the Seakeeper option, Fusion stereo, Mercury vessel view, trim tabs with indicator, joystick with skyhook, flip up bolster seating, also a nice area to be able to stand up for better viewing. As we come forward, you'll see on the sides, you have trolling seats, a huge head compartment, here at the helm you'll have a windshield wiper with a air vent as well. Coming into the bow, you'll see a huge garage storage area. With a big pad and flip down armrest. And here in the front, you've got wraparound seating with the bolsters. And this boat will also have an anchor windlass. This concludes the walkthrough of the 2019 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.